Welcome to English Vocabulary Channel. Today's new word is kudos. Do you know the meaning of kudos? Let's learn together. You can pronounce the word as kudos or kudos. The meaning of the word kudos is praise, admiration and respect. Some examples of kudos are: the team received kudos for their excellent performance in the tournament. Kudos to the chef for creating such a delicious meal. She earned kudos from her colleagues for her innovative ideas. The director received kudos for his award-winning movie. Kudos to Priya for organizing such a successful event. Everyone had a wonderful time. You will find these examples in the description box below. Now, let's see some synonyms and antonyms of kudos. Some synonyms of kudos are praise, recognition, commendation. Some antonyms of kudos are criticism, neglect, disapproval. Use kudos instead of just saying congratulations in your daily life. Do you know an interesting fact? The word kudos originated from the Greek word kydos, meaning glory or renown. There is a task for all of you watching this video. Next time someone achieves something great, give them kudos to show your appreciation. That's it for today's word of the day, kudos. If you enjoyed learning, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more vocabulary tips. Kudos to you for expanding your knowledge. Stay tuned for a new word in the next video.